The Zorvith didn't waste time on reconnaissance. Their strategy had never needed it: strike fast, hit hard, and move on before resistance could form. Planet after planet fell to their blitzkrieg tactics. They didn't conquer, they erased. So when long-range probes detected a lightly defended world rich in resources and biomatter, the Zorvith Council ordered an immediate strike. No one checked the planet's designation. No one said the word, Earth. Admiral S.E. Kadar grinned from his command chair as the invasion fleet dropped into orbit. Primitive tech. No space defenses. Life forms carbon-based and disorganized. He turned to his warlord. Begin surface bombardment. No warnings. Thousands of plasma bolts lit the upper atmosphere. Cities flickered and darkened. Satellites shattered. The Zorvith watched with amusement as their scanners detected global communication outages and mass panic. But then something unexpected happened. Within an hour, signals reappeared. Stronger, more encrypted, bouncing off backup systems the Zorvith hadn't accounted for. Within 2 hours, anti-air fire erupted from the ground, not from military bases, but civilian zones. Repurposed tech, modified weapons, even old museum pieces turned lethal. By the 3rd hour, 3 Zorvith gunships were down. S.E. Kadar frowned. These creatures are adapting. A junior tactician spoke up. Sir, analysis suggests heavy resistance patterns forming in every continent. Coordinated responses. Not central command localized. Localized? S.E. Kadar scoffed. They don't have a global authority? No, sir. They have something worse: free will. That's when the footage started coming in. A farmer in Ukraine using a drone to drop explosives on a dropship. A schoolteacher in Kenya organizing children into a supply chain for wounded fighters. A retired mechanic in Texas turning a tractor into an armored tank. And then came the storms. Earth responded with fury the Zorvith had never encountered. Acid rain melted armor in Southeast Asia. A sandstorm in the Sahara grounded 6 assault carriers. Blizzards over Canada froze troop carriers in mid-landing. Their climate control units failed. Their soldiers became sick. Their weapons jammed from grit and wet. The very planet was attacking them. It wasn't just a battlefield. It was a death trap. S.E. Kadar slammed a fist into the console. Where's the weakness? Where's the fear? The screen showed a woman with a broken arm dragging a wounded soldier to shelter through rubble under fire. Another showed teenagers on motorbikes hurling Molotovs at mechs. No coordination. No command. Just resistance. Endless, burning resistance. Back in orbit, Zorvith fleet ships began receiving automated messages from something called the Internet. Not military transmissions. Not encrypted threats. Memes. Images of Zorvith soldiers photoshopped with clown wigs. Aliens eating crayons. Mockery. Sarcasm. Laughter in the face of extinction. S.E. Kadar watched in disbelief. They joke during war? A captured human, defiant despite bruises, looked him in the eye and said, "Welcome to Earth, dumbass." That night, 6 Zorvith capital ships exploded in orbit, not from enemy ships, but from humans hacking their internal systems using nothing but guesswork and raw stubbornness. S.E. Kadar finally asked the question no Zorvith had ever asked. What is this planet? A trembling analyst replied, designation, Earth. Class, 8.2 Death World. Inhabitants, Homo sapiens. Culturally fractured. Psychologically unstable. Biologically resilient. Another paused, then whispered. They're not afraid to die. Silence filled the bridge. Earth hadn't united to repel them. It didn't have to. Every human fought like it was personal. Because it was. This was their home. Their chaos. Their hell. The Zorvith could conquer planets. But Earth wasn't just a planet. It was a species. A mindset. A challenge. A trap wrapped in blue skies and burning oceans. The Zorvith had come expecting fear, submission. They found rage, defiance, and creativity used as weapons. S.E. Kadar issued the order no Zorvith admiral had ever given. Retreat. As the fleet turned and limped away, badly damaged and humiliated, every Zorvith officer etched one new rule into their battle doctrines. Always check the name of the planet first. Because if it's Earth, you've already lost.